Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef, and the 12 German beers of Christmas. This is the first one I pulled out of here, and this is the, I'm not sure how to say this, Memminger, I believe it is, which is a hell, which is a lager. Now, a couple of things I want to show you here. These are photos I took from the app. I did download the app. It's kind of neat. And you can scan the barcode on the back of the beer, and it shows you which beer you're drinking, and then even gives you a spot to rate it, which is kind of fun. So I've got my beer drinking Flamingo chalice here. We're going to open this one up. This is a 4.9% alcohol. Again, these are 500 liter or milliliter cans, and this is a bottle brewed German lager. Ooh, smells good. So it's pretty light. As you can see, that one's pretty light. And then, ooh, it's so it's unlike American lager beer, which has that really, I'm trying to find a nice way to say this because I'm not an American lager person for the most part. When I say that, I mean like Coors, Budweiser, that kind of stuff. This doesn't have that really ammonia smell, for lack of a better word, if you know what I mean. That's very good. Very crisp. There is unlike American lager, which has a bitter flavor to it, this is very, very crisp. This is traditional German brewing. For those of you who don't know, there's only 4 things allowed in a German beer: water, yeast, hops, and grain. That's it. So their beers are usually pretty forward in flavor and pretty simple until you get into the dunkels. To be honest, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm going to drink this whole thing, and then I'm going to go eat some German food. So until next time, when we open another can, I'll tell you what I think. I am going to keep these cans so we can line them up over here on my sidebar. So when they're all empty, we can go back and talk about what we thought. Oh, and I might have somebody else try these too. They just don't know yet. See you on the next one.